everybody, it's Crystal. So today I have an unboxing for you. I probably have a few more too. It's actually some mystery bags from Hobbii, Hobbii, in Denmark, if you guys are familiar with them. And then some mystery bags from Yarnspirations. You know those mystery bag things they had? They had some on sale for like $5 the other day. So I got some of those so we can see what's in these mystery bags from these two companies. Let's do the Yarnspirations first, okay? Now, usually these Yarnspiration mystery bags are mill-ins, but I always think it's fun to try to guess what the yarn is. That's the most fun about it. So they were on sale, so I bought 10 of them. And they were, like I said, 5 something a piece. A pound of yarn. So these are what their mystery bags are. So here is some basic white that I got. It appears to be some type of, it's probably Bernat Super Saver or something. Or Bernat Saver or whatever that stuff is. This one I'm familiar with. This is baby coordinates. I always get these in these mystery bags. Now there is nothing wrong with this mill-in yarn, mill-ins. It's just yarn that's left over. Maybe they didn't have enough labels to finish out what they had. Maybe the balls didn't weigh what they were supposed to weigh. There can be many reasons why they end up in mill-ins. Maybe they didn't sell and they just took the labels off of them and threw them in the mill-in pot or whatever. But there's nothing wrong with the yarn at all. As far as that I know of, I've never seen a problem with it. I got some of the same yarns. Here's some more. It's like it says it is that they're 100% acrylic. It's a light gray, appears to be like a Bernat Saver yarn or something. Got 2 of those. And I got another white. This one's a bit different though than the other one. This looks like it's a 3-weight white yarn. I don't know what that could be. It's a mystery, you never know. This one's pretty. This looks like the Red Heart Super Saver in the color Flamingo. I'd be almost 100% certain that that's what that is. Feels a little light though. Then a pound. Here's, I got 2 blues the same. This was a disappointing batch. Sometimes I get some really cool yarn. I pretty much got a lot of Super Saver or Bernat Saver, pretty much. This is probably some color of either Bernat or Red Heart Saver yarn, 4-weight yarn, 2 of those. This one looks like it could be Carry-On Simply Soft. Yes, it is. This one's Carry-On Simply Soft, so that's not bad. You can tell by the shine. Pretty pink color. That is another thing that mill-ins also could have been dyed wrong. And that's another reason why it could have ended up in that. And then I got one more Red Heart Super Saver, probably black and black. Probably Red Heart Super Saver. I don't like those mill-ins. I mean, they're okay. It's not. That's like the worst box of mill-ins or mystery bags that I've ever got from Yarnspirations. Usually I get some pretty cool ones. A big assortment, but these weren't that. I mean, they're fine. I will use them, you know, if I use them, give them away, whatever. But they'll probably make good bags and stuff. But or you can make a blanket out of them. I don't make blankets, but okay. So that wasn't a very good mystery box in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. I've had tons of mystery boxes coming through my hands, so I've had some good ones, and I can tell you that was not one of them. But I have had bought mystery bags from Yarnspirations. Last year they had them for like $2.99 on Black Friday. I got some of the coolest yarn, like some of the real nice sock yarn, and I still have some, and all kinds of different yarns from them, and I was really happy with what I got during Black Friday. Sorry, I have a dry mouth today. I have allergies. Corn, I'm surrounded by cornfields. Corn's pollinating. They're tasseled out, and the wind is blowing pollen all over the place. Can't even go outside. Now, this is from Hobbii. This is their Lucky Bag acrylic, 500 grams, $14.99 each. I think I have 2 of them. Now, I think I bought these one other time, and I don't think that I was impressed with what I got, but maybe they changed things up. So let's look here. There's 1, and there's 2. I can tell you that their shipping became a lot faster. They ship DHL now, and usually it took me like 2 weeks to get from Hobbii, but now this came in like 3 days. But it was, the shipping was a little more money than usual, but got here faster. They always give you a little candy, and usually something free. Here's some shawl pins I got. So sometimes they give you stitch markers and just different things. Just something a little free. Okay, let's see what's in these acrylic Lucky Bags. Want you? Will it be lucky? I knew it was going to be this yarn. I knew what was going to be in it because they're discontinuing this yarn, and I knew it was going to be in these. I told myself that. I'm like, I know that it's going to be this. I can't pronounce it. Tavali, whatever this is, 100% acrylic. This is the XL, so it's a 4 weight. So medium weight for made in Turkey, designed in Scandinavia, 109 yards. I knew I was going to get this. So this is your basic. Someone asked me about this one time. I do believe too. And I think they're getting rid of it off their site. They're discontinuing it. So I figured I would get it in my Lucky Bags. It's not a bad yarn. It's just 4 weight acrylic yarn. It's way softer than Red Heart Super Saver. I would compare it with maybe Hobby Lobby's I Love This Yarn. That soft. It's not a bad yarn. There's just not very much yardage in one of these. 109 yards. They're kind of small. But, so here's another one. This is not their XL. This is their 3 weight. So I got the XL, which is a 4 weight, and then I have a 3 weight. There are 191 yards of the 3 weight, so I got 2 of those. Same color. Oh, I got another of the blue. So 2 of the blues. This one's a really pretty color. This is like a real pretty teal. I got 2 of these, and these are the 3 weight. I would much prefer the 4, but they're still pretty. They kind of match though, don't they? What do you think? I think those will go good together. I do. And then I got something different in here. What's this stuff? Okay, so the Lucky Bag that it says that I bought. It says a Lucky Bag with acrylic, $14.99, 500 grams worth of yarn. This is not acrylic, okay? So this is 60 acrylic, 25% wool, 15% alpaca. I'm not complaining. I love wool. Wool is my favorite. But if someone is allergic to wool, they probably shouldn't advertise that they're acrylic mystery bags if they're going to put wool in them. That's my only suggestion. But I mean, I'm not going to complain because I love wool. I love wool. Wool costs more money than acrylic anyway. So, but this is their Alpaca Touch Mayflower. I gave you what was in it. 185 meters, so close to 200 yards. It appears to be about a 2-weight yarn. Where are you made? Where are you made? I always have trouble finding where they're made. I don't know. I got some more here. Some more colors. It's nice. It's scarfable. It's just such a light, it's like a 2-weight. Yeah, probably. I mean, that would be my guess. It's a 2-weight. It says DK. If they consider it a DK, I would consider it a DK, but a very, very lightweight DK. So it would have to be like between a 2 and a 3 weight. If they're going to call it a DK, it's going to be a super light DK. So I got the cream and the gray. Ooh, I like the pea colored. I mean, you know, the peas you eat. That's what it reminds me of. Oh, that's pretty. I like that color a lot. That's nice. I wish I liked working with these light yarns. It hurts my hands sometimes, but if I like the yarn, I'll do it. And that's pretty too. That pink go good with the gray. These two will go good together. I actually think they all look nice together. So that was one lucky bag. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 balls of yarn in that one. Wonder if this one is different. Let's check it out. So far, that was better than my Yarnspirations, and it was cheaper. But I didn't get as much yarn. This is a bunch of no wool. There's no wool in this one. This is a bunch of their Taboli yarn. Okay, well, whatever. I knew that's what I was going to get when I bought them because, like I said, I seen it was being discontinued, and I'm like, that's what they're going to put in my bag. I know it. I know it. So, this is their lightweight. These are 100% acrylic. These are their 3 weight. So, I got these 2 blues. I got 2 more of these teals, which are very pretty to go with the ones I've already got. And I got 2 grays. These are the 3 weights also. And then I got this blue, which I only got 1 of. It's a 3 weight. I only got 1 4 weight out of all of them. Oh my God. I got 1 4 weight out of all the rest are 3. That's okay. Then I got this blue, which is a 3 weight. This dark blue, 3 weight. And then I got this kind of mauve colored, also a 3 weight. So I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 again. So that was my Hobbii mystery bags. I liked them better than I liked my Yarnspiration mystery bags. I mean, they were okay. They're all just kind of regular, like Super Saver or Bernat Saver. I can tell by looking at them. And that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that because there's a lot of yarn in each bag. I like these a little better because I did get some wool in them, even though they are lightweight. If you do decide to buy them, keep that in mind. Even though it says acrylic, they should probably not be putting wool in them. Maybe that was a mistake. I don't know. But, and also keep in mind, you'll probably get a bunch of this yarn. If you buy these, they're $14.99 on their site. These mystery bags, they also sell this separate. I don't know how much it is, but it's not a bad 3 weight 4 weight yarn. It's just, you know, but it's scarfable. There's nothing wrong with it. I would use it for scarves, hats, whatevs, you know, put it up against your skin. It's fine. It's fine for that kind of stuff. So that is it. Quick video, I guess, because the Yarnspirations is just kind of like all the same stuff, so there really wasn't much there I could show you, and this was kind of all the same stuff. Besides, I did like that wool that I got, so that was pretty cool. I don't know. Maybe they do, okay, they do have a little note that says this bag may contain both 100% acrylic yarns and yarns from mixed materials. So, I guess that's their disclaimer, that they can throw wool in there. I don't know. Just be cautious. I thought it was all going to be acrylic. But anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Yeah, it's always a good time. Best part of Hobbii is the candy, though. It's cherry flavored. Heart. You guys have a good day. Rest of the day. Sorry it wasn't no fun. I didn't make it that much fun, did I? I can't make it much fun when it's all the same stuff. I'll see you guys on my next video. Hey, stay safe, okay? Bye-bye, guys.